In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the most important qualities a trader can have: patience. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. See the links in the description box below. If you are also looking for free Forex robots, free trading indicators, free trading courses and books. Getting back to our video, trading can be an exciting and rewarding way to grow your wealth, but it's important to approach it with the right mindset. Being a patient trader is all about keeping a cool head and waiting for the right opportunities to present themselves. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but trading is all about making quick decisions and taking advantage of market fluctuations. And while it's true that you need to be able to act quickly when the right opportunity presents itself, it's equally important to have the discipline to sit on your hands and wait for the right moment to strike. So, how do you develop this all-important trait? Here are a few tips to help you become a more patient trader. Set clear goals and a trading plan. Before you even start trading, it's important to have a clear idea of what you are trying to accomplish. This means setting specific financial goals and creating a plan for how you're going to achieve them. Having a plan will help keep you focused and prevent you from making impulsive decisions. Don't try to time the market. It's natural to want to try and predict where the market is going, but it's almost impossible to do so consistently. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on identifying undervalued assets and holding onto them for the long term. This is what's known as value investing, and it's a strategy that can pay off big time if you're willing to be patient and let your investments ride. Take breaks. Trading can be mentally exhausting, so it's important to take breaks and step away from your screen. This will give you a chance to clear your head and come back to your trades with a fresh perspective. It's also a good idea to take a break after making a trade, especially if it's a big one. This will give you a chance to let any emotions you might be feeling settle down and help you make more rational decisions going forward. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a trade, but it's important to stay level-headed and not let emotions cloud your judgment. If you are feeling stressed or anxious, it's probably a good idea to step away from your trades for a while. It's also a good idea to have a cooling-off period after losing trade. This will give you a chance to assess what went wrong and come up with a plan for how to avoid similar mistakes in the future. Be willing to cut your losses. No one likes to admit that they've made a mistake, but it's important to be willing to cut your losses if a trade isn't working out. Holding onto a losing position in the hopes that it will turn around is a surefire way to lose money. Instead, accept that you made a mistake, learn from it, and move on to the next opportunity. Now, I know what you might be thinking. All of this sounds great, but it's easier said than done. And you're right, developing patience as a trader takes time and practice. But the more you work on it, the easier it will become. We hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you have not done so already.